What's up guys, welcome back for another video of Service Reset My Car. Today I'm going to show you how you can reset the surface or the oil indicator of a Porsche Macan 2016 model. I tried everything and I searched everywhere in the menu, in the search menu of the Porsche Macan, and I couldn't find the manual reset method of this car. So I'm going to show you how you can reset this with a diagnostic tool. I use Hotel Mexicom, this one, and I'm going to show you how you can do this, because you have to know how to do it also with the diagnostic tool. Before we start, I want to mention our YouTube channel, Service Reset My Car. We'd appreciate it if you subscribe to our channel, give us support by liking our videos. Any questions, any comments, use the comment area and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Okay, let's start. First of all, plug in the EOBD, of course. It's left under the steering wheel. This one. Yes, once you have done that, open the diagnostic tool. Yes, search by brand of car or automatic search by auto detect VIN. Go back. I'm going to show you from the very beginning. You have to go to surface. This is the main menu. Surface, oil reset, VIN, auto detect, the ignition must be turned on, of course, and it detects the VIN number. Just click through, say yes. We have to go to hot functions. Oil reset, of course. Once you are here, reset maintenance interval. Then we have a sub menu that we can choose, like this. If we get closer, main maintenance, intermediate maintenance and oil service. You have to select them all to the selected drop down menu, like this, all three selected. Then press execute. Once you have done that, end button, and then you can go out of the menu, put down the diagnostic tool and check if it's okay, and the indicator, because I had an indicator turning on when I turn the ignition on to the second position, and once I do that now, it doesn't come back on anymore. So that's how, the way I know it, to reset the Porsche Macan. If there is another way or any tips and tricks, just use the comment area, and I'd appreciate that, and hope to see you next time with another video. Bye bye.